Versity is calling it a critical need. The organization's blood supply is dangerously low, they say, and tonight they're asking West Michiganders to roll up their sleeves and give what they can. Our Angeline McCall talked to Versity and Spectrum. They're both counting their supply every day to make sure that they don't run out, Angeline.
Yeah, Doug, it is taking very careful monitoring of supply to make sure that they do not run out of blood at this point, with Spectrum saying they have 20,000 less units than normal. But the reality of the situation is that 1 in every 7 patients who are hospitalized need a blood transfusion, meaning they need donations now and fast.
We're doing everything possible between texts, emails, phone calls, smoke signals, whatever it takes to get donors to come in and roll up their sleeve.
It is a desperate plea. Versity only has a 1-day supply on hand of the universal blood type O negative. Typically, they'd have 4 to 5 days worth.
If we get any worse, we could have 0. So that's concerning.
Versity's supply is down roughly 40%. The pandemic is to blame, with many blood drives at schools, universities, and businesses canceled.
So we had to find alternative ways to get those donors to come in and donate. And we have been struggling ever since.
Hospital systems are feeling the effects. Spectrum Health, in some cases, is rationing and conserving blood bags.
I will tell you, we count every day, and we do communicate with our providers when we see a area of risk. For example, maybe we would routinely give 2 units to a patient with certain diagnostic problems. We might recommend, if we have a shortage, that we say only give 1 unit and watch, or that we hold on giving certain blood products until we see a change. But we are counting every day.
At this time, it's not so bad that the hospital is canceling elective surgeries.
However, all it takes is a couple of bad accidents, what we call a massive transfusion protocol, which is where we have to give a lot of blood to save someone's life for a variety of reasons, or a trauma. If we had a couple of bad situations, we could clear out our blood bank shelf pretty quickly.
The need at an all-time high, with medical professionals desperate to save lives using the precious resource.
It's a scary situation that we don't want to approach, and we hope to avoid it.
Versity says that in Michigan, they need roughly 550 people to donate daily to have a comfortable supply, especially since blood does have a shelf life of only 45 days before it expires. In the newsroom, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you for that, Angeline. If you're looking for a place to donate, you can head to Versity's website. Just a quick search showed us about 24 different blood drives in West Michigan in the next week. The same goes for the American Red Cross website as well. You can go over there and check them out.